What's going on YouTube? Today we will be showing you how to access these switches to work on, diagnose, and test on a Gravely lawnmower, zero-turn lawnmower. Mine is the ZT42, 42-inch deck, Kawasaki motor. I have a brand new battery in here and I am not able to turn this thing on right now. So I'll be showing you how to access this panel. First of all, mine had this red panel on here. I popped these 3 little plastic rivets out, and then you will see that there are 2 holes right here. There is a 13mm nut in each one, and there's also another one right down here that will be need to removed, and then you'll have access to here. Then I'll be testing mine to see what the problem is. So I have a drill with the 13mm socket on mine. You can use a ratchet, and I'm not sure, you might be able to use a regular socket. I'm using a deep socket, so I pulled a cup holder off mine, and I'm storing my nuts and other bolts and stuff in there so I won't lose them. So this should just simply pull off. This one's a little tight over here, one in the front, but a little yank and it comes off. And as you can see, your switches are right there, the wiring. So hope this helps you out. And this, like I said, this is a fairly newer Gravely, so it should work for other models. I've seen some that have bolts right here, screws, and it makes it a lot easier, but yeah, this one has these 3 nuts that hold it in. So I hope this helps you out. Thank you.